Boss, hanggang hindi natin on a per capita basis, hanggang hindi tayo nakakapag-kompetensya directly sa Thailand at sa Vietnam. Bakit per capita, boss? Ito isipin natin. 100 million Filipinos. Ha? 100 million Filipinos. Ang output of the entire Philippines when it comes to rice, sabi ko, pag-usapan natin yung rice, is 15.4 million metric tons per year. Ang demand for the Philippines is 17 plus million. So may shortfall tayo. 100 million Filipinos yan. Thailand, smaller land area, half the population, 60 million. Output nila, rice, 30 million. 30 million. Bakit? Sabihin ng tao, bakit? Ang galing ng Thailand. Mas magaling sa Pilipinas. Mas magaling ba yung farmers ng Thai? Di ba? Investment in agriculture. 1.4 million hectares irrigated in this country. Thailand, half the population, smaller size, 10 million hectares irrigated. Nag-invest ang national government nila sa agriculture. Same can be said with Japan, nung nag-uumpisa sila. Same can be said with Korea in the 1970s, the 1980s. Pareho rin na masasabi mo sa China. Kaya nga China, medyo ibang model yan dahil hindi talaga yun yung cost eh. Ginawa nila, halos libre yun eh. Walang halos investment. Manpower lang, labor. Tayo dito, kailangan, for us to compete, we have to invest. Doon mo lang masasusukuan, boss, itong problema natin sa agriculture. Otherwise, smuggling will always be a problem. Kailangan itulak talaga, kailangan magkaroon ng change ng policy direction ng Pilipinas pagdating sa agriculture.